Hello, my name is Kyle Enriquez. I'm a trainee within Vanderbilt's Medical Scientist Training Program and also a part of the American Physician Scientists Association. Thank you to Jess for the nomination to be a part of the Everyday Scientist campaign of the Jane Coffin Childs Fund. What a great opportunity to make the public aware of the science we do and the efforts of trainees to improve science and medicine every day. As a part of this campaign, I get to answer one central question. What is it that we do as scientists and trainees? Well, for me, I work on one of the top infectious causes of death in the world, a bacteria called Staphylococcus aureus. You may have heard about staph as MRSA or MSSA. Staph are dangerous bacteria, in part because they have developed over a dozen different pathways to evade your immune cells, instead causing damage to your tissues. Through those bacterial systems, staph grab onto your collagen, your intracellular nutrients, and use them to form a protective barrier between bacteria and human cells that makes it difficult for medications and immune cells to get in and kill those bacteria, making you sick. In doing so, I studied a zinc binding and metal homeostasis protein in staph called Zig-A. And testing hundreds of different cell stressors led us to a hypothesis that Zig-A interacts with and supports the activity of DNA damage repair proteins. But interestingly, these differences are relatively small. While treating staph with antibiotics can kill over 99.99% of bacteria in a culture, low levels of DNA damage that don't affect healthy cells kill only 90% of bacteria without Zig-A. The good news is we know where to look next, because unlike humans that only have one of these proteins, staph have three different ones. And as always, that means there's more work to do. Before I head back to the lab, thank you again to the Jane Coffin Childs Fund and to the Everyday Scientist campaign for the nomination and the opportunity to share some of my work. To continue our learning, I want to nominate Daniel from our APSA team to continue the challenge.